Chase Havens and we're here with Diesel Army Magazine. We're at SEMA 2022 in the van and pickups new products category. We're checking out the Sinister Diesel 5-inch exhaust for the 2017 and 2020 F250, F350, and F450 6.7 power stroke trucks. So we all know how the factory diesel trucks sound nowadays. They don't sound like anything. You can barely hear them, and the only way you can tell if you're giving it gas or not is the RPM gauge. They have no noise, and this will put the grunt back in your 6.7 and really just give you the sound you're looking for. And it's made out of a 409 stainless steel, so it's got a quality construction. The kit also bolts together and it uses the factory hanger locations, so it makes it super simple to install on your truck. And the exhaust just looks absolutely fantastic.